Okay, are you excited about this?
I'm very excited, Lam.
I am personally feeling super overwhelmed about this trailer. But before we dive right into it, I am Joanna.
Hi, I'm Sakshi.
And you're watching us on Social Kandura.
Reacts. So, you know, we did a teaser reaction and the hype was insane for this movie. After what we have experienced previously with Ramayan stories in Bollywood, I think everyone is really excited. They want to see because the teaser was so good. It was so good. The music, the VFX, everything was great.
And it is supposed to be one of India's most influential and ancient stories. So I think everyone's going to be super excited to see what it actually has to offer. Let's dive straight into it.
Yeah, let's watch it. Oh, use headphones. Sorry, we don't know.
तुम्हारा नया राजा देवलोक, पृथ्वीलोक, पाताल लोक, तीनों लोकों में एक ही राज होगा।
जब जब सृष्टि पर संकट आया है, भगवान विष्णु ने अवतार लेकर उसकी रक्षा की।
मेरा ज्येष्ठ पुत्र राम। विश्व कल्याण के लिए यदि मेरा अंत भी हो जाए तो भी मुझे स्वीकार है। निर्णय मैं ले चुका हूं। एक पुत्र होने के नाते अपने पिता के वचन का पालन करना मेरा कर्तव्य है।
तुम्हारे लिए 14 वर्ष का वनवास। उस वचन का क्या जो आपने मुझे विवाह के समय दिया था। अब हमारा भाग्य एक है और भाग्य में जो भी लिखा है मुझे स्वीकार है।
जनस्थान की राजकुमारी सूर्पनखा,
वो मोहित हो गई है आप पे।
राम से प्रतिशोध लिया जाएगा शूर्पणखा। न राम की मृत्यु साधारण होगी, न उसका अपमान।
रावण तीनों लोकों का स्वामी है तो तीनों लोकों के सामने उसका वध करूंगा। मैं अपनी सीता को वापस लाऊंगा। युग का आरंभ है।
Wow, I have 3 words to describe this trailer. It's mind-blowing, impressive, and bold.
I know, right? Honestly, I have no words. When I was watching it, I got goosebumps and I was like blank.
It is a very loud movie. It's impressive, like everything, frame by frame, has so much to offer in a trailer.
I know, right? I'm so excited to watch this in your theater. Imagine IMAX experience. That's what they're highlighting,
Yes,
right?
and by the looks of it, I feel like they're really doing a good job with storytelling, you know, which I feel is lacking in Bollywood right now. And to see such a great project come to life is not a joke. Like, it's definitely difficult to pull off a project like this.
Now, if we talk
I
about
can
the
tell.
music, we have 2 living legends in this. One is A.R. Rahman, the other
And
one
Hans Zimmer.
I know that the guy has done a lot of great work. Honestly,
Yes, his
Please don't kill
music
me.
and his sound design is really nice. I think it just uplifts every movie and music in general, music, VFX, the style, everything plays such an important role. And I think this is like topping all those.
I think even the VFX, I don't know much about it, but it's from one of the best people in the industry,
Apparently
Oscar-winning
Oscar,
global
yeah.
studio. Something I read it somewhere. I think it's called DMEG Studio.
Yes,
or
and
Negative.
they've actually looked into movies like Interstellar,
Oh yeah.
Dune. So these are actually really big movies.
Masterpieces, yeah.
So you can actually tell the different styles, you know, because it's so neat, it's well done. Even they've introduced such bold renders, you know, like even these monsters were looking
The
so
flying
realistic.
elephant
Exactly.
and the Ravan fight at the beginning, you know, when he's fighting with people. Oh my God, it's so real. And that's how it should be, right?
Yeah.
And if we talk about the characters, the casting team,
Yes.
I know if you guys must have watched the teaser before, I was not very happy seeing Ranbir Kapoor as Ram. But then I spent almost like an entire day thinking that if not Ranbir Kapoor, then who can play this character?
You know, I
And
have
could
to
not
add to
find-
that. I can imagine Vicky Kaushal.
Yeah.
He
He's
could
got very
also,
that
yeah,
calm
he's
and
got a
like-
very
yeah,
bold
yeah.
character too. But if not him, maybe Vicky.
But honestly, after watching the trailer, I'm very happy. I think everyone is fitting their characters so well, except, again, please don't kill me. I really like Sai Pallavi, but as Sita, not very happy. Just like how Ranbir Kapoor, I watched in teaser, now I'm watching trailer. Maybe I'll like him more in the movie, and same will go with Sai Pallavi. But you know, if Sita, I can imagine, like, you know who I would imagine.
I think I know what you're imagining.
I know.
It's Deepika.
Of course. Oh my God.
I would agree to that actually,
Yeah.
because she's by herself a very bold.
Yeah, that powerful female. Again,
Actress,
Sai Pallavi is great, and I know that we wanted that sweet and humble element as well. And she can also play the strong character that we'll get to know in the movie.
Overall, I think this movie is going to be amazing.
Yeah, we can't wait to watch it, and that's it from our end. But
And if
don't
there's a new trailer, we will definitely react to that one too. But if you've not watched the previous one, go and watch it right now.
yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Till then,
We'll
bye.
see you next one. Bye.